Okay, we're about to unbox this my newly purchased Inco Lithium Ion Impact drill. So this is it. Let's open this. Okay, so here is what's in the box. So we have this charger, the lithium ion charger, and we have here the 20 volts lithium battery pack. So it's a share pack, means you can use this to other Inco wireless tools. So here's the main unit. So this is the lithium ion impact drill. Okay, have here the manual. And some drill bits and screw bits. These are for, I think this is only for concrete. So let's put this aside. The battery pack, we have two, charger, and the unit. So that is all what's in the box. To use it, you need to push this button, then remove the safety cover, install the battery, just slide it, and that's it. It's easy as that. There's a flashlight and the gear selector. So, 2 is high speed, low torque. 1 is low speed, high torque. This is the rotation. So counterclockwise, clockwise. So this is the torque ring. So you can select up to 18 level. So 1 it has the minimum torque, then 18 has the highest torque. So that is how you're going to use that. And this ring is for the function selector. So we have here the function, the hammer for drilling concrete, screws, and this one is for drilling metals, plastic. So ones need to select that. Here is the battery level indicator. So just press this button, then you can see battery level. So overall quality is good, functionalities are okay and good. So I definitely recommend this tool for DIYers. Yeah, okay, so thank you. That's it for unboxing this our new tool. Hope you like it and click subscribe.